afternoon, I have the pleasure to introduce you the Byoucollection. Why Byoucollection? Because the consumer is at the center of the customization process. More than the 50% of consumer is interested in purchase customized products or easy objects to personalize. 4 in 10 people, mainly male public than female public, has bought customized clothing or accessories. Why BU buckles? Because first, you can choose the style of the buckle, and in an easy way you can put the letter on the buckle. The plaque is made in steel and has a double-sided tap in the back. This idea is patented all over the world, and we think that BU buckles can shake up your collection. Thank you for the attention, and I hope to receive many requests from you, because BU buckle will change the idea of bag production. Bye bye!